But look, man, it's Rosh. Back with another body cam video. But look, man, y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. But look, man, let's get to this video.
The emergency, please.
Hi, I'm at the abandoned building by Old Sacramento.
Which abandoned building? Do you know the address?
I don't know the address. It's the only one right here between the rail yard and fucking Old Sacramento.
Okay. Do you know the cross street near rail yard?
I Street.
Okay. What's going on?
It was going to just take us for a long time. You're going to be fucked up. You're not coming out.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, what's going on?
So he started knifing me. He tried to molest me.
Okay, I need you to tell me more of where you are because you're mapping near Jaboom Street. Does that sound right? Does that sound right?
Huh?
Are you near the I Street Bridge?
Near the I Street Bridge.
Okay. Can you tell me more about what's happening?
He tried to molest me and he threw a knife at me.
Who?
This guy, Johnny.
Do you know who he is? I mean, like, are you cousins? Like,
He
friends?
stole how it was my boyfriend, but he's like playing games.
Okay, did he hit you with the knife?
He stole my stab. He stole how stuff from my house. Yeah, it's just a messed up situation.
Is he still there?
Yes.
Okay, does he still have the knife?
No, he threw it at me.
Did it hit you?
No, but he has my BB gun. He tried to shoot me with it.
Okay, well, officers are going to want to make sure you're okay. I just want to make sure you don't need an ambulance or anything like that.
I don't need an ambulance, no.
Okay.
He has anyway, he needs to go to jail for his warrant.
Do you know what warrant it is?
For failure to register.
Do you know his last name?
Valcorda. You shouldn't do that to me, motherfucker. Thinking he was going to play me into it. You don't do that to people. You don't steal people's stuff.
He said he got a BB gun. Man, hope the police know. I hope they get it to the officer that he got a BB gun, because they don't think he got a real gun. I'm gonna keep it real. A BB gun? Man.
You better stop! Johnny, stop! I'm gonna take you to the ground! Stop! Drop the gun! Drop it! He's got a gun to his head. Johnny, stop! Johnny, stop!
See, already he think it's a real gun.
Hey, people on the truck. He's getting his gun to his head. You can't tell if it's a BB gun or not.
They can't tell if it's a BB gun or not. See, they can't tell if it's a BB gun or not, so they not gonna take no chances as if it's a BB gun just because dude said it was a BB gun. They not caring.
I don't want the water.
Don't want the water. Let me break up your after, please.
I can't see anything.
No. I see him.
You don't want me to come. He's running. He's towards the water.
Copy. So walk these arms down towards water.
Let's.
We do have information that
Can you let advice?
I don't know if it's BB gun. I just looked as though it's firearms. I don't see fish.
Copy. I'm sure it's a BB gun. I'm sure that.
Yeah, they don't know. A lot of these BB guns be looking real nowadays.
Under the water. We've lost visual.
Northern Contact Team's going with announcements.
Sacramento Police Department. Any and all pedestrians, we need you to come up to the bike trail with your hands up at this point. Sac PD K9. Johnny Valcorda, we know that you are hiding down there. We do not want to have to hurt you. We need you to come out with your hands up, nothing in your hand, and surrender. You are completely surrounded. Attention on the ground, attention on the ground. This is the Sacramento Police Department. Johnny Balcorda,
come
you are
out.
completely surrounded. We know that you are hiding down by the riverbed. We need you to come out with your hands up, nothing in your hands, and surrender peacefully. Sacramento Police Department K9, Johnny Balcorda, if you decide to flee, we will send a dog. That dog will find you, and that dog will bite you. We do not want to have to hurt you. Come out now, surrender peacefully, with your hands up in the air, and walk up to the bike trail. Attention on the ground, this is the Sacramento Police Department. Any and all pedestrians,
Y'all not gonna go get
them? We need you to come up to the bike trail at this point with your hands up.
I think the only we got running. People are running. People are running on the island over there.
Yeah, because y'all talking about y'all finna let the dog out.
Heel.
Johnny Balcorda, we see you. We'll send the dog. Hands up right now.
That dog ready. Dog is ready.
Yep. Johnny, hands up! Stop. Johnny, hands no.
Gone.
Fuck! Drop the gun! Heel!
He tagged me.
Heel! Hey, give up, Johnny! Give me Stop fighting the dog! Give me hands! Give me the other hand! Give me the other hand! Right now!
Dog be moving.
Hey, he hits you right.
Ain't no running from the
Hey,
dog.
he's got a gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Alright.
Where's the gun? I got the gun. Hey, give up, John!
Hey, BB gun or not, that thing look like it's real. I ain't gonna lie. It could be a BB gun though. But BB guns nowadays, them things look real. So police, they not gonna just 100% go off of a call that it's a BB gun.
Got a chest seal? Yeah. Yep. Everybody okay right here? Let me find some blood. I got blood. He's got one in the arm. No. Get fire. 2, 3. They're on their way. I got dog fight. That's yep. No, I think it's just dog fight. Okay. Anything else? I don't see any in his chest yet. I just got this one heavy squirter in his arm.
So them wasn't no BB guns? Oh, so they was BB guns. Whoa. Why you running around with them BB guns looking real? Crazy. This was a crazy video right here. But look, man, let me know what y'all think down below up in the comments. But look, man, y'all hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. But look, man, I'll catch y'all on the next video.